Tired of Aternos failing to verify your username and locking you out of your Minecraft server? Let's dive into how to fix that common fail to verify username error on Aternos. This usually happens because of a simple mismatch in your server settings or how your username is entered. The first and most crucial step is to ensure your server is set to online mode. Log into your Aternos account and navigate to your server's control panel. Find the server settings section. Locate the online mode option if it's currently set to FF. Toggle it to on. This ensures that Aternos verifies your Minecraft account with Mojang servers, which is essential for legitimate players. Next, let's talk about whitelisting. If your server's whitelist is enabled, you need to ensure your Minecraft username is correctly added. Go to your server's control panel and find the whitelist section. Carefully type your Minecraft username exactly as it appears in the game, paying close attention to capitalization and spelling. If you're having trouble, double-check your username in your Minecraft game profile. Once added, save the changes. The whitelist is like a guest list, and your username needs to be on it if it's active. Finally, restart your Aternos server. This ensures all the changes you've made are applied correctly with online mode enabled and your username accurately whitelisted. If necessary, you should now be able to connect to your Minecraft server without any issues. That's it. You've successfully fixed the fail to verify username error and can get back to enjoying your custom Minecraft world. Happy gaming!